This is a 50-gallon standard electric water heating tank, and the water from the bottom of this tank is being circulated directly through the collector and getting heated up and comes right back into the tank. The actual water in the tank is heated directly by the sun. Much more efficient, much less expensive. This is a complete system, and it's a standalone system. We've taken the drain valve out of the bottom of the tank. We've screwed this T in here, put the drain valve back into this piece of the T, and then we've come out of here with a male adapter, which then goes to this pump and a flow meter, and then we've got valving here and a thermometer. Then this is going to connect to the collector. Now this is the bottom of the tank, and it will connect to the bottom of the collector. So the cold water being pumped out of the bottom of the tank directly into the collector, goes through the collector, gets heated up, and then it'll come back out on this side, which is where the temperature and pressure valve is. This is a standard temperature and pressure valve, and it would come out of the tank here. We've removed that. We've put a nipple in here and a T, so that we've got our return coming back in here at the temperature and pressure valve. And then again, we've got some valving and a thermometer so that we can monitor the system and see what the performance is and evaluate how it's going. Now, this temperature and pressure valve is a key and important safety feature on all water heaters, whether they're solar or electric or gas or propane or anything else. So these valves are set up so that the flow is coming back from the collector and out this way. This is a purge valve, and this is a shut off right here, and this opens the pressure. Okay? So the water is going to come through the collector and come back out here. We're going to purge all the air out of here. And the way we're going to do that is we're just going to open this valve on the bottom, on the inlet side of the collector. So we'll open that up. Now, it's very important to have a lot of respect for this. Remember I talked about steam? Well, that's the steam that can happen from an overtemp situation in a collector. It doesn't hurt anything as long as you don't get in the way of it. Once that's done, you close this valve, you open this valve, make sure there's no air in there, and it's ready to go. It is literally that simple to charge a system. It takes about 30 seconds, and then you're done. This pump is actually designed to be connected directly to a photovoltaic panel, and this photovoltaic panel, when it has enough sun on it, will power this pump. And the pump will increase and decrease in speed depending upon the intensity of the sun. And this can be, this little PV panel can be mounted anywhere. But it is important that it be mounted in the same orientation as the collector. So if the collector is at a 60-degree angle, the PV panel needs to be mounted in the same angle and pointing in the same orientation, north to south, so that it powers the pump at the same time that the solar collector needs the flow from the pump. And if you look here closely at the flow meter, you'll see, lo and behold, see the little propeller in there? As the sun generates electricity and powers this pump up, then the pump starts to create the flow. Now the flow is going through the collector. This flow meter is the most important diagnostic tool you have on the solar system. If you have flow there and there's no leaks anywhere, then you know the water has to be going through the collector and getting hot. Your next tool is your two thermometers. So you've got a thermometer here at the bottom. So this is reading the temperature of the water going into the collector. It's coming back up here at 110 degrees Fahrenheit. So we've got good temperature differential across the collector. Thanks for watching. Please visit our webpage. It will give you a lot more information, whether you're an installer looking to provide these systems for your customers and increase your bottom line, or you're a do-it-yourselfer who wants to put a solar water heating system that's really an effective system in your home and do it yourself inexpensively. We have the answers. Visit the website. We'll help you out.